The Hinyao Trep Youth Council HYC today issued a warning to the Meghalaya government, threatening to organize a beef eating festival if permission is granted for a rally led by Brahmachari Mukundananji Maharaj. The HYC claimed that the proposed rally, aimed at demanding the cows to be declared the mother of the nation and calling for an immediate ban on cow slaughter, has stirred controversy. As news of the press conference spread, HYC members led by President Roy Kupar Sindram gathered outside the Shillong Press Club, displaying placards in protest against the cow Vigilante group. The group said they could not hold press conference due to lack of permission from the Shillong Press Club.
Our message is very clear. Do not come and dictate terms on us. We will eat whatever we want. We don't dictate terms on you, so don't dictate terms on us. And the second thing, and the second message, a very clear message, is that no such rally will be allowed from our side to be held in the city of Shillong or in Meghalaya. And we also want the government of Meghalaya not to give permission to such a rally, because if such kind of rally are allowed, it will create disharmony among the people, the various communities of various religions staying in the state of Meghalaya.
In a significant